So guys, today is gonna be a very weird video. Because me and my cousin were very stupid people when we were 6 years old. So we made this Fortnite song because we had nothing better to do. And cousin Max, he said in 3 years you gotta sing this and it's gonna go viral. I'm like, it's not gonna go viral. But I guess I'm just gonna sing it. It's about Fortnite. There's not a lot of reps. It's not that big. It's like a minute long. Not the video, but like the song. It's like maybe like a couple seconds. It's not that long, but I mean, I guess it's nice. I guess it's called Everybody Be Playing Fortnite, and I'll sing it. I be playing Fortnite, Fortnite, Fortnite. Everybody be playing Fortnite, Fortnite. I be going downstairs to play my Wii U, but I see the whole world be playing Fortnite. I be going downstairs to get a snack, but I see my mom playing Fortnite. I asked her to help me get a snack. She said, go ask your father. I go to my dad's room. He said, go to the store, get some V-Bucks, make sure to add the snacks. I go pay up. She said it was free. Stop interrupting my Fortnite time.